This is the yellow list. Number 1, title. When you write the title of a book, make sure that you use capital letters and underline it. Title. Number 2 is rattle. There was a rattle in the furnace, so we called a repairman. Number 3 is bugle. The bugle was used to wake up the troops. Bugle. Number 4 is little. I'll take the little piece of cake. Number 5 is single. There was just a single scratch on the side of the car. Number 6 is jungle. We spotted a large snake in the jungle. Number 7 is tremble. I tremble when I go into haunted houses. Number 8 is paddle. We will use a paddle to push the canoe through the swamp. Number 9 is fiddle. The man played a fiddle at the square dance. Number 10 is able. I am able to hula hoop for 60 seconds.